Hi everyone, I'm Mickey from the Barefoot Nomad. Do you guys struggle like I have with keeping folders, photos, travel videos organized? And even worse, trying to share them with friends and family and access them as you travel everywhere in the world? Well, it's something I've really struggled with until I found something called sync.com, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. We've used Sync since before 2021 to manage our digital life, which is forever in internet terms. So when they reached out to sponsor this video, we were really excited because we could share what we've learned, how we use them, and why we love Sync. Now, Sync helps us store our travel memories and all of our work documents in one secure spot, and we can access that from anywhere in the world we go to. Whether we're relaxing on a beach in Mexico, or I'm hiking by the mountains in a lake in British Columbia, Sync helps us keep our files and documents and photos secure and safe and accessible wherever we go.
So how can travelers use Sync? Lost your phone in Paris? No worries. Log into your Sync account from any device and access all your files instantly. You can travel with peace of mind knowing your memories and documents are protected with end-to-end encryption.
As travelers, losing photos and videos is an absolute nightmare. So we use Sync to store all of our content safely and securely, so we don't have to worry about that.
Do you want to share those breathtaking sunset photos with friends? Sync makes it easy and secure. Your friends and family can even view or download without needing a Sync account. Sync gives us ample space for large video files and high-res images, so we don't have to worry anymore about running out of space or losing our valuable content. So how else can Sync help with your travels? Here are a few ways that Sync can make your trip smoother. First, let's talk about travel planning. It can store all your travel itineraries, flight tickets, hotel reservations, and rental car confirmations all in one place. Then you can access and update them easily from any device during your trip. You can also use it to store important travel documents. So you can keep digital copies of passports, visas, insurance policies, and even emergency contacts securely stored. You access those documents anytime, even if your physical copies get lost or stolen. We use Sync for remote work. You can stay productive, like we do, by securely accessing work files and documents while you travel. We use Sync to collaborate with colleagues and ensure seamless communication and file sharing while we're on the go. We also use Sync to securely store personal memories. So you can kind of create a digital scrapbook of your travels by storing photos, videos, and even online journals. Sync's secure storage makes sure your memories are preserved and easily accessible. If you're traveling in a group, use Sync to manage shared documents like itineraries, contact lists, and even activity schedules.
So let's dive into how to use sync.com. It's simple, even for beginners.
Head to sync.com and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy. For maximum benefits, check out the Pro Teams Plus Unlimited plan. This is where you get unlimited storage space. You'll never run out of storage space again. Now, this is something we deal with all the time as we travel. We always run out of storage space, so having Sync has been such a blessing. We never have to worry about that. Next, install the app. You can install it on all of your devices. It's available for both desktop and mobile. And you can also use the Sync website to manage your files from anywhere in the world. Now, let's upload your photos, videos, and documents. Just drag and drop your files into the Sync folder. Everything is automatically backed up and secured. You can organize your files into folders, create separate folders for different trips or types of documents. You can access your files from anywhere, whether you're at home, on a beach, in a cafe, your files are always at your fingertips.
Here are some of our pro tips to get the most out of sync.com.
So you can store important documents in the Sync vault. It's a separate storage area that's not synced to your devices, so it gives you extra security. And it also doesn't take space on your computer or phone when it's saved to the vault.
You can use Sync for remote work and collaborate with your team from anywhere in the world. Sync enables secure remote access and secure work from home.
We especially love to use Sync for automatic smartphone camera uploads as we travel. We have it set up to automatically upload our photos and videos up into our Sync account anytime we're set on Wi-Fi or cellular data.
If you want to check out Sync for yourself, you can start with a free trial. All you have to do is visit sync.com/barefoot, and there's a special deal for you there.